In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice in Google Sheets. The quickest way is to use an invoice template, then customize it with your own details. First, open Google Sheets. From the Google Sheets homepage, look for Template Gallery. Click Template Gallery. Now scroll through the available templates and look for an invoice template. If you see one that works for you, click it. Google Sheets will open a copy of that template so you can edit it without changing the original. Now start by adding your business details. Add your business name, address, email, phone number, and any other contact details you want on the invoice. Next, add your customer details. This usually goes in the Bill To section. Add the customer name, business name, address, and email address if needed. Now add the invoice details. Enter the invoice number. Add the invoice date. Then add the payment due date or your payment terms. For example, you could add due on receipt or due within 7 days. Next, add the products or services you are charging for. In the description column, enter what the invoice is for. Then add the quantity, rate, and amount. Most invoice templates will calculate the totals automatically, but double check the numbers before sending it. If you need to add tax, shipping, or a discount, update those sections as well. You can also customize the invoice by changing the colors, fonts, logo, or layout. Once the invoice is finished, rename the file at the top. For example, you could name it with the customer name and invoice number. Now, to send it as a PDF, go to File, then go to Download. Choose PDF. Check the Export Preview and make sure the invoice fits correctly on the page. Then click Export or Download, and that's it. You've now created an invoice in Google Sheets.